Hi everybody, it's Marin with 321 Strong, and I'm here to share with you the 321 Strong foam roller. I want to talk to you a little bit about foam rolling and beginning. It is an important thing to remember that every exercise poses some sort of risk, so make sure you get clearance from your medical professional or your doctor. If you're feeling anything like dizzy, lightheadedness, or uncomfortable symptoms, please stop immediately and check in with your healthcare provider. The 321 Strong foam roller is built to last. It's extremely durable, but there's also some carrying techniques that you can implement to make sure it lasts you for a long time. First of all, be sure to keep this away from children. It's not a toy, it's an exercise tool. And also remember that these videos are for educational purposes only. So you have really bright color foam rollers, but if you store it in the sunlight, it may fade. Keep it in a nice, cool, dry place. And if you feel like you need to clean it, make sure that you use mild soapy water on a cleaning cloth and just wipe it where it needs to be cleaned. You also want to make sure to keep it away from sharp objects so that it doesn't puncture, and also store it away from wet or standing water. At the end of the day, the 321 Strong foam roller is a great tool that you're going to get amazing benefits from by using regularly and incorporating into your exercise routine. I'm excited to share with you how to get started in the videos to come.